Today we're making a soft and fluffy caramel toffee cake layered with a rich homemade caramel whipped cream. This easy homemade cake recipe is light, moist, and perfect for anyone who loves classic caramel desserts. Start by adding 6 eggs into a bowl along with 180 grams of sugar. Whisk until the mixture becomes pale, fluffy, and doubles in size. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of water with 1 tablespoon of oil. Take a small portion of the whipped egg mixture and mix it into the oil-water bowl. Then pour everything back into the main egg mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and whisk quickly until fully incorporated. Sift in 100 grams of flour and gently fold it into the batter to maintain the airy texture. Line a flat baking tray with baking paper and pour in the cake mixture evenly. Lightly tap the tray on the counter to release any air bubbles. Then bake in a preheated oven at 160 Celsius for about 20 minutes. While the cake is baking, prepare the caramel. In a pan, add 200 grams of granulated sugar and heat it over a medium-high heat until it melts and turns into a deep amber color. Carefully add 100 grams of ghee or clarified butter, followed by 100 grams of cream. Stir immediately and vigorously until everything combines into a smooth caramel sauce. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool. Once the cake has baked, remove the baking paper and cut the cake in half, trimming the edges to form a neat square shape. Set the trimmed cake pieces aside. We'll be using them in the next recipe on the channel. Pour some of the cooled caramel into a bowl and whisk it lightly. In another bowl, whip 1 cup of whipping cream until fluffy. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of the caramel into the whipped cream and whip again to create a caramel whipped cream frosting. Brush the cake layers with a simple sugar syrup made by mixing 1 tablespoon of sugar with 1 tablespoon of water. Spread a layer of caramel whipped cream over the first cake layer. Place the second layer on top and add more caramel whipped cream. cover the entire cake with whipped cream, cut into squares, and finish by piping decorative whipped cream on top. For extra crunch and flavor, decorate with caramel praline if desired. And there you have it, a soft caramel toffee cake with rich homemade caramel flavor and a light caramel whipped cream frosting. If you enjoyed this easy caramel cake recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more homemade desserts, and stay tuned for the next recipe using the leftover cake pieces.